Hi guys, I haven't posted in a while. I know I'm a little behind time, but I just wanted to share this little inspiration video for meal prep and maybe it will encourage you with your diet and getting healthy this year. Okay, here we go. For breakfast is a shrimp omelet with fruit. I also have a choice of cream of wheat with like 2 strawberries on 2 days, and then I actually have a fruit smoothie. So that's my breakfast option. My lunch option, I did a fake chipotle bowl. So I have the rice, the kidney beans for your kidneys, a little bit of grilled chicken because I'm trying to cut back on the protein as well. You have your peppers and your corn. The only thing that I did forget was a scoop of avocado. So these are for 3 days, and I'm doing my starches during lunch because I'm trying to cut back on starches. And the only thing that I didn't get to make either is the little teeny pizzas with the non-dairy cheese. You can do mushrooms or whatever, but they're individually. They come 4 in a pack. And get these from Walmart for $2. So those are my options this week for lunch. For dinner, I did something a little bit different. I'm not doing starches at dinner. So I did the spaghetti squash. So that's actually spaghetti squash with a homemade non-dairy Alfredo sauce. The shrimp and peas. So I did that for 3 days. And then this last one I'm really excited about. I did a fresh string beans, cauliflower mashed potatoes because I'm not having the starch at night. So I did cauliflower mashed potatoes, and I did a tilapia with a mango sauce. Tastes so good. So that's different. I'm excited about that. So my dinner is not carbs. It looks like carbs, but it's vegetables. My lunch is the fake chipotle with the little mini pizzas, just a little bit of carbs during the day. And so I also have peach and mango water, and I have watermelon and strawberry water. For my snack, I have, could be late night snack, I have the watermelon, I have grapes, I have unsalted pistachios, and I also made a homemade, from the kidney beans, I made a homemade hummus. And I did the zucchini chips. They need to finish drying out, but it's just zucchini chips with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So that's basically what I have. I didn't get a chance to make everything. Like I said, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I didn't get a chance to make my deviled eggs for snack. I was supposed to do zucchini, spaghetti, and what else did I get a chance to make? It's a couple other things that I'm going to make next week. So I'll split them up between 2 weeks, but this is everything I made this week, and anything else I can think of, I'll take a picture and send it. So guys, get your meals prepped. Okay guys, so that was a little teaser. I have so much more coming, and I'll throw in a little inspiration video here and there, a little meal prep, a little something different. Don't forget to check out my other DIY videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.